So I boiled some vegetables in a stock pot, and usually you did it whole, that's the recipe, and then you would sieve it. Exactly, because you're running out of, not time, but people want to eat. So,
True.
kind of rushing this along again. So again, I'm reintroducing the vegetables after being cooked whole, which they were supposed to be discarded, but I'm putting them back in because I don't believe in waste. All in cookbooks. So the fritters are in 18th century cookbook, but also 16th century cookbook and some Dutch cookbooks, not just English.
Fort Montgomery was the scene of a fierce Revolutionary War battle for control of the Hudson River. These are the remains of a 14-acre fortification perched on a cliff overlooking the magnificent Hudson. On October 6, 1777, British Loyalist and Hessian forces attacked Fort Montgomery and nearby Fort Clinton. The defending American patriots were outnumbered 3-1. Fort Montgomery was built to prevent British ships from sailing up the Hudson River. The centerpiece of the fort's defenses was its grand battery of 6 32-pounder cannons, one of the largest cannons of the Revolutionary War. A 32-pounder was a formidable piece of artillery with a range of well over a mile. As darkness fell and the Battle of Fort Montgomery reached its horrific climax in October of 1777, terrified American defenders were driven from their fort at the points of the enemy bayonets, fleeing for their lives. They clambered down the 120 feet of steep, rocky-strewn terrain to the river, hoping that friendly boats awaited to convey them to safety on the other shore. Finding none, they had to swim. Archaeologists have revealed many of Fort Montgomery's remains, including stone foundations of barracks and eroded redoubt walls. The past comes alive at Fort Montgomery with living history demonstrations of artillery, musketry, music, and camp life activities. Visitors can learn about this important military post at the site's museum, which showcases original artifacts and weapons, large-scale models of the fort and the attack, highly detailed mannequins, and an action-packed 15-minute movie of the 1777 assault.